Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will set up animated welcome from Mimu Bot. So let's get into video. If you are also lazy like me, then don't worry. To make your work easier, I have prepared commands for you. You just have to copy paste these commands. Now you have to add two bots in your server, which are Mimu and NQN bot. I have also given link in the description for it. If you have also added those bot, now give them administrator permission. After that, go to Mimu welcome channel, which is in my server. And then scroll up to step 1 and copy those. And paste it in your own server. Go back to my server and copy step 2 and paste those in your server. Now copy step 3 and paste it in your server. Replace those with your own server name. Again, go back to my server and copy step 4 and paste it in your server. Now we have to add emojis on our server, so you should copy the given command to add those emoji. Do the same process to add other 6 emojis. In 5th step, you need Nitro to do this, or request any friend to run this command. If you even don't have friend, then join my friend's server, he will help you in 5th step. Link is in description or I have pinned in comment section. If you can't see this copy ID option, then go to user settings and then click on advanced and now enable developer mode. Instead of channel ID, you need to copy your own important channels such as rules, announcements, giveaways, etc. As I said, this won't work if you don't have Nitro, so what are you waiting for? Join my friend's server ASAP. Or ask for help to your friend in 5th step. And others step can be done without Nitro. Now let's move towards 6th step.
Down is busting on my niggas up to something. Tried it, yet you still came up with nothing. You did that shit the hard way.
Instead of image link, you need to upload GIF file and copy your GIF link. If you are also thinking how I got this, then go to description and click on the link of animated graphics maker. Click on banner maker and choose anyone from here. For this time I am gonna choose Bright.
Perfect smile. If my pockets wasn't blessed, would you still stick around? If my whip wasn't right and I was walking around this town, if I was asking you for money, would you give it or just bounce? If I ain't have it off, baby, I was struggling. If I was down on my ass, but I was hustling. If we was out in my county, have enough in it.
Download standard 1 or 350 KB would lag and won't look good. Now go back to my server and copy step 7. Instead of server after, upload your server after and copy its link and paste instead of it.
Friends come and go, give a fuck about how they acting. And if it was a problem, all my brothers get it cracking. I've been way too lazy for the interviews. Was kinda crazy, I've been into you. I'm on my way, I'll probably take a few. The only thing that matters should be you.
If you have Nitro, or your friend helped you to set up, then it would look like this.
Break it down, it's busting on my niggas up to something. Tried it, yeah, you still came up with nothing. You did that shit the harder way, me, I played the smarter way. God stay with me, gotta pray, so stay up on my guard. Like it's my fault, yeah, that's my fault. Don't worry about me, ma, they call me top dog. Them niggas tried to play me, no, I'm not so. I'm rolling with them niggas, knocking tops off, yeah.
Forget about it, Frankie. I can hear the sound.